Hello friends, welcome to another Darktable tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust perspective and adjust geometry of your image in Darktable. So first, we are going to add our image here to library. To do that, click here and this plus button icon and then choose the location, and we only have one image here. Add to library. Yeah, so this is the image we're gonna fix. As you can see, the perspective of this image is not quite correct, so we are gonna fix this using Darktable. So to do that, we search your crop menu. So here we can initially adjust top, bottom, right, left. Sometimes we need to adjust it, and we also can use different aspect ratio available here, or we just can choose our own by choosing freehand. I'm going with original image option now. Okay, so we are not working under crop menu here. Actually, we are going here, the rotate and perspective menu. So here we are gonna work. Here you can adjust a lens shift, horizontally, vertically, shear and lens mode if you want to. We can do it according to our preference here by adjusting, playing with this available options. However, there are other options that you can try, and that's more effective, I think. So to do that, we first activate this structure menu, the icon, and then if you select this, like automatically correct for vertical perspective dissertation, it's gonna automatically correct. And now if you look at it, it's much better than the original image. Yeah, so similarly, if you want to fix it vertically, you activate this icon and then you click here for horizontal correction. But probably this image doesn't need to correct horizontally, but we can correct vertically. And also we can adjust them if we need to. So friends, this is how you can adjust perspective and geometry of your image in Darktable. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.